Hi, this is Doug with Calvert Creative Solutions. So this is a quick video just showing why you want a Black Widow over any other 3D printer. So I had a customer approach me. He was interested in a full 1-to-1 scale mask. Because of the Black Widow's size, just for an idea here, the bed is about 380 millimeters by 260 millimeters, and completely stock, the height is about 265 millimeters travel. That said, there is quite a bit of modification that can be done to the gantry here. And you could see we could gain quite a bit extra movement in here, along with if we were to flip this cable chain 90 degrees with a 3D printed part, we could gain even more. But you can see, all in one print, support material, mask. You can see the resolution is just ridiculous. You can actually see the micro stepping artifacts from the stepper motors. You can't really feel them, but just in the texture of the print you can actually see the limits of what the motors can handle. Just for an idea of scale here, that's my hand. This thing's huge. This is done without use of the heated bed with PLA, but that said, you're also able to print ABS, PET, any of the popular filaments. On this particular print, I drip fed it off my laptop directly onto the control, just because there are limitations with the SD card printing with very large file sizes. So this particular file is actually a 155 meg 74-hour print. So the G-code file itself, just a straight text file, is 155 megs. Millions and millions of lines of code. You can see from the reflection, the surface finish is just immaculate. So the next step of this mask is going to be a coat of fiberglass on the inside, sanding and Bondo on the outside, and then a custom paint job. But you can see this is a perfect 1-to-1 scale of the finished mask. This is basically impossible on any other printer. And you can see, if I just come to the top here, the Black Widow can do it with quite a bit of room to spare. So this is an ideal printer for anybody that wants to make ultra fine quality parts. So just an idea, this is another part I've created. Large tower shape. It was basically on the bed like this. And you can see the surface finish on this thing. It's just immaculate. You can't even catch your nail on any of the layers. So that is why you want something like a Black Widow over something like a Prusa.